Hi, welcome to Money Making Charts. Today we are going to present the latest market update. But before I do that, let me give you an overview of what Money Making Charts is all about. My name is Jeff. I'm a 30-year veteran trader and researcher. Over the years, I have taken the elliptical cycle phenomenon hinted at by W.D. Gann and George Bayer to an entirely new level. I won't spend time expanding on this since you have come here to view the latest market update, but if you go to moneymakingcharts.com, you can see examples of money making charts and how they can help traders dramatically improve trading performance. The good news is you can try money making charts for 30 days absolutely free. And if you like what you see, for a limited period, we've reduced monthly subscriptions by 50%, now only $29.50 monthly. Thanks for listening. Now the latest money making chart. Today I want to demonstrate the power of the yellow attraction points in the money making charts. And here we are looking at silver from early August, and we can see how silver made contact with this attraction point and failed to make contact with the next attraction point. And at this attraction point there was a very strong buy signal because silver was at this red line, which is the lowest line in the current bear cycle silver is in, and it was also of course at this number 2 attraction point, which was a strong indicator for a bottom. Not necessarily a major bottom. There was potential for silver to rise and then fall back to this line as we had indicated here in forward projections, but although silver found resistance at our EM cycle lines, it has finally broken through, making this a very good buy signal. We have held long up to this point here. Now into the next short period, silver will find strong resistance at this line here, and this may produce a significant top with a fallback to this lowest limit cycle line. So we will see what happens, but this is just to highlight the powers of these attraction zones, and if prices in the vicinity of them, then they can easily be hit. They don't always provide major turning points, as is indicated with target 1 here, because silver fell straight through it, but it did make contact with it. But this was certainly a major turning point for silver. That's all for today. I add a new update most days showing market situations that I think you will find interesting. But why not take advantage of our free 30-day trial? That way you will see multiple markets updated daily and judge if money making charts can improve your trading performance. To get your free trial now, go to www.moneymakingcharts.com. Thanks for listening. Money Making Charts is an educational service designed to teach traders to interpret the multiple trading tools in the charts. All information is provided for demonstration and educational purposes, not for trading purposes or advice. This is not a solicitation of any order to buy or sell, but is a market view provided by Money Making Charts. Please read the following disclaimer.